Hello class, this is the indoor gardening team. My name is Rafael Sario and my teammates are Tyler, Harshit, Claire, and Sahil. The product opportunity gap addressed in this project is that many apartments do not have enough space for an indoor garden, and the situation outside isn't all that better. Some of the factors that drove this project are a growing trend of people wanting to grow their own food, expensive real estate prices are forcing people to live in more confined housing, and advancements in technologies such as lightweight materials can be used to develop a product that is reasonably priced and can be used as a garden in small spaces.
So before finalizing our design for this project, we came up with a couple of initial concepts. Some of them are on this slide. The first one we came up was a rolling pot holder. It is a simple design of a pot holder that had wheel at the base, and the plants would be kept inside the pot. The second one was the plant shelf mounted on a wall. Another simple design where a shelf would be placed on the wall and the plants would be on them. It would be great for from an aesthetic point of view. The third one was the wall hanging garden, another wall based design. It was great for space utilization and also a low cost design. And the final one was a window shelf, which was a little different. The pots and the plants would be hanging on the windows, which would be another aesthetic advantage. And also, it was an efficient space utilization and also low cost.
So as you'll see on this slide, we had some prototyping issues. The first issue was that some of the 3D prints were too small. We had some difficulty with the connections. They were difficult to print and they were difficult to get the sizing correctly. Sometimes the 3D prints came out with broken pieces, and sometimes the prints came out a completely jumbled up mess. And you'll see the close-up and then just several support connections that came out incorrectly. Here's the final prototype though. We put some fake potted plants on there. This is in the vertical orientation. Here it is in the horizontal orientation. Here's the pieces separately connected. The two longer pieces are flipped over to show the connections on both sides of those pieces. This slide is just a close-up of the final prototype. You'll see in the right-hand picture, there's SpongeBob's Bikini Bottom Pineapple House.
Here we have our indoor gardening model simulation. As you can see in the model, it is comprised of 4 support legs, 2 wall supports, and 4 separate shelf pieces. 2 of the shelves are flat, and 2 of them are container-like that allow for plants to be planted in them. Our design is modular in nature, so it can act either as a coffee table or as a shelf, as seen here.
Thanks Claire for explaining the component of model with the help of simulation. So in this slide, these are few steps that could be done for the project. First one is experiment with durable material that are effective. Second one is change in dimension as per available space with the users. Third one is check the factor of safety before sending for the commercial use. And the fourth is product review with customers. Following features make this product more efficient. As it's user friendly, different arrangement of shelves can be possible as per user needs, and box shelves can be changed with the flat shelves to accommodate more plant and vice versa. And the third point is orientation can be easily changed from vertical to horizontal to make it, we can use that as a center table, or maybe we can use as a bookshelf to accommodate books. And the fourth point is it's less space consuming with the multiple use. So these are the some points which make it more efficient. Thank you, Professor.